Hello DIYers, as SEMA wraps up for 2024 in Las Vegas, here's a quick list of some of my favorite things for the week. It was great seeing Faye Hadley and her awesome Toyota project car. Links to her YouTube in the description below. Speaking of Toyota, they showed off two awesome prototypes, the first being the off-road Land Cruiser, and the second a rally concept for the GR86. Both really awesome, and I hope they go into production. Next up is Stellantis with the Dodge Challenger Banshee EV. I think it's a concept, maybe it's in production now. Honestly, it felt the same as 2022. And since we're a DIY channel, let's cover some tools. First up is GearWrench. They're still pushing their modular Mega Mod set, which is, pretty cool. I love the foam casing, and the tool offerings have definitely been expanded out. What was surprising to see is that they've expanded into scan tools and diagnostic tools. Even more surprising is that their operating system looks exactly like X-Tools. Over at Knipex, and new to me, is this new grip style where you can have color-coordinated tabs and other accessories. The only other thing they mentioned is new sizes for their twin grip pliers, as seen here. And over at Harbor Freight, it was definitely Icon front and center, the biggest news being that there are a whole lot of tools coming, mostly in ratchets, for 2025. I think they're released in Q1. I've seen lots of coverage as well, but the Badland off-road jack, they're making a smaller version that does a 1.5 ton capacity. And this new Icon light bar is really impressive. Not only is it super bright, but it has a color correct side for people that are doing paint stuff. It even has a UV light and lots of different combinations and orientations for you to use your light everywhere. And of course, magnets on the side and the end, so that you can put your light wherever you need it. I believe the light is $59.99 and it's already out. I also got to check out the new Meme Toolbox in person. It's definitely better than the Cobalt one. The slides actually feel pretty good. The side-by-side wiggle is still pretty bad, but it's less than 20 bucks, and I think during the Black Friday sale, it'll be $10. And just like GearWrench, Icon is expanding into diagnostic tools. I don't know much about it overall, but I do know that the T10 has gotten some good reviews, and I can't wait to get my hands on one and try it out. And if you haven't heard of Fantic, they make some really cool battery-operated tools. This set here is a pencil-sized automatic screwdriver with bit holder, and it comes with everything you need. It's pretty awesome. Over at the Milwaukee booth, I checked out their new light options. I'm a big fan of the M12 stuff. There's no new M12 stuff this year, but they definitely expanded out their M18 line. There's this surprisingly compact 3-panel floodlight, and next to that is a single panel floodlight. They also have a magnetic arm floodlight, which I ended up not getting a picture of. And my favorite, this battery embedded mini light, which also works as a USB pack. Nothing new in hand tools as far as I can tell, but they're still promoting their square sockets, which are kind of cool since they don't roll. And on the power tool side, of course, the new 3/8 stubby 3rd generation. I think it's 50% more powerful than the previous generation. And the new neutral setting power toggle is controversial, but I think I like it. I'm always impressed with Weha stuff, and here's their new product for 2024. It's colorful. And I don't think they're new for 2024, but Astro's nano impact sockets are very impressive when seen in person. They're very, very low profile for sure. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this quick wrap-up of SEMA 2024. Please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share. Now it's back to making DIY repair guides to help inspire you to work on your own cars. I'm Alan, and this is Metal Loop. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.